Good morning, and welcome to episode 257 of Getting Rich. I'm your host, Rich Checkin, president of Asset Strategies International, and today is New Year's Eve, Wednesday, December 31st, 2025. Well, it appears that 2025 will go with little progress made in calming the geopolitical conflicts and tensions around the globe, with the one exception of a fragile peace in Israel. U.S. stocks look to end the year near record highs, with the S&P 500 looking to score about a 17% gain for the year, and that has mainly been driven by the boom in AI, or artificial intelligence. But the real story in markets this past year was precious metals. Make no mistake about it, they shone like never before. This is the biggest increase in 1 year in precious metals than we've seen dating back to 1979, almost 50 years ago. The gold is up roughly about 70%. Platinum and palladium are both up around 100% or more, and silver is the shining star. It's up about 150% on the year. So let's take a look at those numbers as they stand today, starting the last day of the year. Gold is down for the week 3.8% to 4,315.80 an ounce. It was 4,487.60 last week. Silver is up 0.25% on the week. It's trading at $72.26 an ounce. It was $72.10 last week. Platinum's down 12.1%. It's trading at $2,029 an ounce. It was $23.09 an ounce last week. And palladium is down 12.5%, trading at $16.13 an ounce. It was $1,844 an ounce last week. With silver outperforming gold, the gold-silver ratio dips below 60 to 59.73. That's how many ounces of silver it takes to buy an ounce of gold. Last week we were at 62.24. And the US dollar surged slightly over the past week. It's still trading below 100 on the index at 98.27. It was 97.87 last week. So we're seeing a bit of volatility in the precious metals, and that is absolutely to be expected. We saw about a 9% increase in silver alone on last Friday, and then on Monday we saw about a 10% drop, followed by about a 5 to 6% pop up in silver yesterday. So it's moving around a bit, and this again is to be expected. It is not to be feared. It is to be embraced. And in 2026, we do look for higher prices in gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. This is a bull market that is showing no signs of stopping. The fundamentals dictate that we have much higher to go, and some of those factors driving the precious metals higher are the geopolitical tensions we've talked about and noted here over the past year. Industrial demand increases, especially for silver. We have a weak dollar, and that trend is not showing any signs of subsiding, and we have intermittent short squeezes, especially with silver and potentially with gold here in the future. So the bottom line is precious metals are going higher. You need to embrace those dips. And if you're holding metals for profit, primarily silver, you want to go ahead and take profits when it shoots up considerably, and then buy well when it dips as well. And keep doing that until we see signs fundamentally that we're going to see the end of the bull market, and not a single one is firing just yet. We want you to go ahead and join us. We're going to cover the forecast for precious metals, equities, etc. in the new year on our first On the Move webinar of the year. That will be Wednesday, January 14th at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Adrian Day of Adrian Day Asset Management, my co-host, and I will be welcoming Peter Bookvar of 1 Point BFG Wealth Partners. Peter is highly sought after for his analysis of the markets, and we're looking forward to that conversation and to give you a preview of what we all see in 2026. We'd like to take the time as well here today from Michael, myself, and our entire staff here at Asset Strategies International. We want to thank you for putting your trust and faith in us over these many years. We look forward to continuing to serve you in all your precious metals buy-sell needs, storage needs, etc. going forward. We wish you all and your families a happy, healthy, prosperous, and peaceful 2026. As always, we'd like you to go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us, send us your comments and questions, follow us on social media, take our twice weekly, always something interesting alerts and our once monthly information line newsletter. But in the end, don't ever forget, getting rich starts with keeping what's yours.